Yes, hello mga ka-G. I'm going to share with you today my secret detox formula that I use when I lost 19 kilos within 3 months ng pagda-diet po. Yan. So, before po ako mag-start, actually, I was 93 kilos. And now, medyo nag-gain weight po ako. Kaya I need to do or start my detoxification process again. Which, these are the ingredients that I use. Ito po siya, lemon. Yan. And we have celery, parsley, and also we have ginger. So, ang gagawin lang po natin dito ay i-blend po siya all together. Then, makakapag-create po tayo ng mixture. Then, with that mixture, you can use that early in the morning. You can put it on hot water, maybe like 1 to 2 teaspoonful of your mixture. Depende po sa taste nyo or sa pangangailangan ninyo. One glass of water of your mixture. Going to first the celery. Very nice. In summary, losing weight is not an easy task. Detoxification is an integral part of it. Pair it with proper balanced diet and most importantly, discipline. And you will lose weight before you know it. Hello mga ka-G! Ayan po, nakita nyo na po ang aking secret detox formula. at ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang resulta pagkatapos po ng 5 araw kung may nabago po sa aking weight o wala. Tara po, papakita ko po sa inyo ang aking weight. Like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestion or comment, don't forget to put it down on the comment box below. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan, ano man ang hamon ng inyong buhay, go, go, go lang! Tara na mga ka-G!